Well, over the last week, fireworks shops have been opening up ahead of New Year's. WHO 13's Tidor Mitov caught up with one stand today about the upcoming holiday.
Snow on the ground and freezing temperatures is not exactly what you think of when you think of fireworks, but because of a new state law that went into effect earlier this year, Iowa communities can't ban fireworks on a couple days. Those include July 3rd and 4th and December 31st. So stands like this one here in Des Moines are gearing up for customers for the winter season. This fireworks stand on Northwest Prairie Lane opened on the 22nd and will be open until the 31st. According to Iowa code, consumer fireworks can be set off from 9 a.m. December 31st until 12:30 a.m. January 1st. They will also be allowed between 9 a.m. and 11 p.m. on the Saturday and Sunday immediately following New Year's. A fireworks salesman in Des Moines says that while this time of year is a bit slower than the Independence Day season, some customers are coming to stock up on supply and take advantage of seasonal deals.
We have a lot of people that like to come and try and hunt some deals and just kind of get stocked up and ready.
And this shop will be open until 8 p.m. tonight. Stay tuned to WHO 13 News at 5 to hear more about how tariffs have impacted fireworks sales. In Des Moines, Tidor Mitov, WHO 13 News.